Hey guys, so here I am unboxing this 2.4 gallon compost bin from Ayotee. It also comes with the 2.6 gallon trash bags of 125 count, guys, which is a perfect combination. The bin is perfect for on your countertop, underneath your sink, on your kitchen cabinet, or you can hang it on your kitchen door. You can also use it in the bathroom. And they have two options color to choose from, so you can choose, this is a gray one, and they have an option of white to choose from, and it's very affordable. So it comes with a pack of compostable trash bag that fits small cans. You get the instructions on the back, how to use it. It can for home, bathroom, office, or your car. So guys, it has two options to open it and close it. So you hold this thing right here and you just pull up, or you can pull it forward and down. So two options to open, which is pretty cool. And this will make the perfect addition to your tiny space. So if you're short in space or storage, definitely give this a try. You will not regret it, especially if you do a lot of cooking or meal prepping and stuff, or even if you're in the kitchen bin overall. This is a game changer because you can have it right there by the sink, and you can just, as you chop vegetables or peel fruits and vegetables, you can just dump it right there beside you, and then get rid of it afterwards. So it'll make meal prepping a lot more easier and more convenient for you. And it's super easy to use and install. Installation process is flawless. Definitely give it a try. In the package, it also comes with this adhesive patch that you're supposed to use to keep the trash can firm in place. I don't think I'm going to use this, however, because I like the option of putting it at the front of the cabinet, outside of the cabinet, or inside of the cabinet. So I might not use it, but I'm going to tell you guys how to use it. The instruction says that you're supposed to ensure that the surface is dry and clean. So you're going to wipe the surface, then you're going to just peel the patch and stick it on to the surface that you want to put it on. It comes with the hook, so it'll just attach to the back of this like so, which will keep it in place. And you're supposed to wait at least 24 hours before putting back the trash can on, which will help to hold the load and stuff so they don't fall in place. But you can, however, use it without this. So I'm gonna try and see if that works. Guys, you have the option of letting it stay outside on the cabinet door like that. As you can see, it stays in place and it's so easy to use. So you can definitely use it without the adhesive thing, or you have option 2 where you can choose to put it inside the cabinet. So see guys, and it closes, and it's so small and compact, it just stays right there. So easy to use, guys. I like that option better because it stays hidden, and my daughter, my baby, won't be able to just come and pull on it, tug on it whenever she wants to. So I like this option better, so I'm just gonna let it stay in there that way inside it. But as you can see, I absolutely love it, and it's so easy to use. Perfect. And you can use it in your bathroom also. I love it. So guys, I forgot to mention earlier that the bin, it comes with its own scraper. so it's attached under here. So I'm gonna remove it for you guys. A second. And it's so easy to remove and store. So you just pull up. So guys, this just makes cleaning up so much easier. So much easier, and it's so easy to store. To store it, you just slide it back in. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And you just slide it back in and close it, and just like that.